Hi, welcome to Ramco TV. My name is Brad Vorrie and I'm one of the automation specialists at Ramco. Flexible options and reduction of part numbers are key advantages for end users and OEMs when selecting products. Would a single indicator light with a wide variety of color options, flashing, dimming, and advanced automation options make your life a bit easier? Did I mention that you can control all of these options by simple configuration in your PC? Let's take a look at the new K50 and K30 Pro lights from Banner Engineering. The new Banner Engineering K50 and K30 Programmable Multicolor Indicators allow end users and OEMs to install one light in multiple applications without the need to stock multiple part numbers. The K50 and K30 Pros feature 7 available programmable colors with several animation options. Some of the other features include a translucent polycarbonate dome for daylight visible indication, IP69 UL Type 4 design, and integrated audible alarm option available. What makes this device special is the Banner Pro Editor software that allows you to create custom configurations based on the 5-pin M12 QD input connection. Let's see how this is accomplished. First, be sure you have purchased the programming cable, part number MQDC506 USB. This is required to interface your PC with your light. Next, go to Banner's website and download the Pro Editor software. Once the software is installed, be sure to install the driver for the programming cable. Most Windows 10 PCs can install the driver automatically without issue. However, if you have a Windows 7 PC or wish issues with Windows 10, and you will need to install the driver manually. To do this, download the driver, which is included in the software download. Next, go to your control panel and open Device Manager. The cable will be listed under Other Devices and should be listed as Communications Translator. Right-click and select Update Driver Software. Click Browse My Computer for driver software. Then, let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer and select Show All Devices. Click Have Disk. Click Browse and select the driver file. Click OK. Click on Easy Tool and press Next. A warning may display saying the driver is unsigned. Click Yes. Finally, note the COM port that Windows assigned to the driver under Ports in Device Manager. Do note that if you wish to simply download settings with limited preview, you can plug the programming cable directly to the light and USB into your computer. However, if you want to preview your colors and animations with full capabilities, be sure you are using a splitter cable. One end of the splitter will plug into the programming cable, and the other end will plug into a DC power supply. The main branch plugs into the light. Now, open the Banner Pro Editor software. Press the Connect button. For device type, make sure you have the correct K-series light selected. Then select the correct COM port based on the COM port your PC is assigned to. Once connected, the light selection should open. In basic mode, you can select the pin or wire color, which will turn on the color, light, or animation. To change settings, simply select from the drop-down what color and type of animation you want. Depending on the type of animation you select, you will have the ability to change speed or patterns of the animation. To preview, press the Start button. When you're satisfied with your selection, press the Right Device Settings button. If you wish to utilize more than 3 colors, you will want to use Advanced Mode. This allows you to utilize the 4 pins as a binary selection and get up to 15 different combinations of colors and animations. Finally, the I/O block mode allows you to utilize this light using only the standard input wires, black and white. This type of configuration is useful if you are replacing an existing light that uses only black and white wires, but do not want to change or do not have the ability to change the internal wiring. As you can see from this demonstration, these lights have an extreme amount of flexibility, giving you a virtually endless amount of possibilities. If you're interested in learning more about the K50 or K30 lights from Banner Engineering, give us a call. We'd be happy to stop by and demonstrate this for you. This and thousands of other products are now available on ramcoi.com. If you like this video or found it helpful, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Hi, welcome back to Ramco TV. You may have noticed throughout this video the blue bracket holding the Banner K50 light. Now, I know you're all experts on the K50 Pro by now, but you may be wondering what this contraption is. So Lindsay, what in the world is this?
Well, Brad, this is a product by Swivellink.
Swivel what now?
Swivellink. It's a product that allows our customers to easily build custom mounting solutions for cameras, lights, sensors, robot end effectors, and so much more. Their standard series of products include bases, knuckles, links, and T's. They have other mounting brackets that include 18 and 30 millimeter threaded brackets, like you see here, for simple mounting of sensors or lights.
I have been known to dabble in just a few vision applications. How can these guys help?
Well, Swivellink has pre-drilled mounting brackets for a variety of cameras from the most popular manufacturers, including Banner, Omron, Cognex, Keyence, DVT, and more. So Brad, do you want to know something else that's cool about this?
What's that, Lindsay?
Well, Brad, the brackets and knuckles are designed to have cords and wires thread through them, so no mess and less risk of damage to your cord sets.
That is pretty cool. You also mentioned robots. It's always a struggle developing end-of-arm tooling for a variety of reasons. So you're telling me this product allows you to make your own brackets and configurations literally at your desk?
Yeah, literally.
And since this product is so flexible, you don't necessarily have to change out the end-of-arm tooling for different products, and you just tweak it a little?
Yeah, exactly. They even have a kit that will allow you to thread in vacuum generators or suction cups to their standard product. It's a completely clean and versatile solution.
So this is basically an erector set for adults.
Basically, yeah. You can check out more about this on our website at ramcoi.com, or you can give this guy a call and he'd be happy to bring a demo kit out and discuss solutions for you.
Thanks, Lindsay. And once again, thanks for watching
and be safe out there.
Be safe out there.